What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Lazfit smartwatch to your phone so that you can be able to receive your social media notifications from your phone to your Lazfit smartwatch and be able to make calls and even change the time and perform other interesting features that actually requires you to connect the smartwatch to your phone. And to do this, you have to first of all make sure that your smartwatch actually uses the Lazfit Smartwatch app. If you're not so sure which app your smartwatch uses, you want to just navigate to where you have this QR code icon over here on your smartwatch. Go ahead and select it. Now you want to open up the camera app on your phone and then just go ahead and scan the QR code just to be sure which smartwatch app your smartwatch uses. Once you scan on it, you want to go ahead and open up the link from the scan. From over here, you can literally see that mine actually uses the Laxasfit Smartwatch app. So what you want to do at this point is to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then you want to go ahead and search for the Lazfit Smartwatch app. So just come over to the search tab over here, and then inside of this searching page field, you want to go ahead and search for Lazfit. And over here, you're going to see the official Lazfit Smartwatch app. Go ahead and select it and then download and install this app into your iPhone or your Android phone. And once the app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. But before then, you also want to swipe to the notification center of your phone. Make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, and then also make sure that you turn on the service location. In my case, the service location is over here. Just make sure you turn on the location of your phone and the Bluetooth of your phone. Now you want to go back to the app. Now you just want to agree to the policy over here. So click on the I agree button over here, and then obviously they are now asking us to enable our location. Just go ahead and click on while using this app. Click on allow, give it all of the permission it needs to function properly on your phone. So just give it all of the permission. And once you get to this page, you also want to come over to your Lazfit Smartwatch app. And from the home of your Lazfit Smartwatch app, you just want to press on this button over here, and you're going to see the Bluetooth feature of your smartwatch. Now just go ahead and enable this so that Bluetooth will be turned on. Now Bluetooth is now enabled. What you want to do is to come over to the home of the smartwatch and then come back to the Lazfit Smartwatch app on your phone. Now you want to sign into the app, so you can choose to sign in using your email or your Google account. I would prefer my Google account, so I'll just go ahead and check this agreement over here and then just click on sign into Google. Now you just want to select your Gmail account. In my case, I'll go with this Gmail account over here. And then finally, you want to keep note of your account number and then your account password. So once you've taken note of it, you can screenshot it or do something and then just click on the OK button over here. Click on the OK button as well. Now we have to fill in some information on the smartwatch app. So you want to go ahead and enter your nickname, then go ahead and enter your sex, your date of birth, your height, and your weight. These are actually some of the information that the app needs to function properly, so make sure that the information you give is correct. Now go ahead and click on the OK button over here, and then the setup process is now completed. Now what you want to do last is to just click on this go to set over here, and then from this list of apps you want to locate the Lazfit Smartwatch app, select it, and then make sure you enable all notification for the Lazfit Smartwatch app. This is actually very important if you want the app to be able to send you notifications like your WhatsApp, Facebook, and other notifications to your phone. So make sure you enable this. Once I enable all of this notification, I can now go back to the Lazfit Smartwatch app. And now what you just want to do is to come over to the top of the Lazfit Smartwatch app. You're going to see the watch icon over here. Just go ahead and select it, just like so, and it will automatically start to look for all of the Lazfit Smartwatch app that are closest to you. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the name of your smartwatch. You can literally see mine. This is actually the one it was able to find. I'll go ahead and select it. Now it is trying to connect. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on the smartwatch, and you should be able to connect successfully. As you can see, it has just connected. You also want to click on the pair button over here, and just like so, we are now good to go. Now we have successfully connected the Lazfit Smartwatch app to our phone. I will now guide you through some of the interesting features that this smartwatch app actually offers. So basically, you want to come over to the My tab over here, and from here, once you come over to the Devices tab, you should be able to perform certain functions. For instance, if you click on the 24-hour clock over here, this actually turns the clock on your Lazfit smartwatch from 12 hours to 24 hours. So I can just enable this, and once it is enabled, this is now 24 hours. It has now been successfully set. You can now see that the 24 hours type of clock format is what I have on my Lazfit smartwatch now. If I turn this off, give it some time, and you can literally see that it has also changed on the Lazfit smartwatch app. If you want to be able to get your WhatsApp notification and other social media notifications from your phone to your Lazfit smartwatch, what you can actually do is to come over to the message reminder option over here, and once it is turned on, you're going to definitely receive WhatsApp notification as soon as they are sent to your phone on your Lazfit smartwatch. Now, you also want to come over to the top over here, and you're going to see the open all option. This actually allows you to be able to receive all of your notification, whether the notification is listed here or not. Also, if you actually want to be able to change the wallpaper of the smartwatch to maybe like a custom image or a custom picture of you, what you can actually do is to go back to the previous page over here, and then you just want to come over to the dials option over here, scroll down, and you're going to see my dials over here. Select that. And then at this point, you want to go ahead and click on select picture, and then from your list of images over here, you can go ahead and select any picture you want to use as the wallpaper for your Lazfit smartwatch. Let's take, for instance, if I want to use this image, I'll just select it and then just resize it the way I want it, just like so. Then click on the check button at the top over here, click on this, and then click on the OK button. You can as well resize where you want the time on the clock to be, and once you're done, just click on the OK button over here, or the check button. I'll just go ahead and click on the use. You can as well customize all of these if you want, but for now, just click on the save and use option over here. Now it is now pushing our saved image for wallpaper into the Lazfit smartwatch, and as you can see, it just received it. This is actually the image we want for our wallpaper on the Lazfit smartwatch. Another interesting thing you can actually do is to make calls. So from your Lazfit smartwatch over here, you can just press on this control button over here, and then look for the call app. You can literally see it over here. Once I select it, I can actually make call by clicking on number. So I'll just go ahead and call a particular number now, and once I am done, I'll just click on the green button over here, and as you can see, it is now making this call, also making the call on my smartphone as well. My final interesting feature I would like to mention in this video is actually the finder feature. So coming over to the devices settings over here, if you click on the find option, it actually enables you to be able to find your Lazfit smartwatch wherever it is placed. So this actually helps you find your smartwatch. There is also the finder feature that also enables you to be able to find your mobile phone wherever you kept it. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.